While the world phased out chlorofluorocarbons, which wreaked havoc on the ozone layer, and replaced it with ozone-friendly hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs, they contain up to 9,000 times greater warming capacity than carbon dioxide. On Monday, the Sustainable Development Department initiated the first phase of the Kigali Implementation Plan, which coincides with this year's World Ozone Day observance. The Kigali Amendment is an international agreement to gradually reduce the consumption and production of HFCs.
Now we mark this year every year as we commemorate the ozone layer and the importance of protecting the ozone layer to assist us in being protected from the ultraviolet rays of the sun that can harm us and cause cancer and so on. We are also launching our Kigali Implementation Plan today, and that is a really important milestone for us. We have been so successful in our past efforts to phase out hydrochlorofluorocarbons, HFCS, and we're now turning our attention to HFCs, hydrofluorocarbons. And that is looking at the fact that in trying to reduce the problem of depletion of the ozone layer, we introduced a set of chemicals that contribute, unfortunately, to global warming that causes climate change. And now we have to phase them out. That is the HFCs.
HFCs are greenhouse gases commonly used in a variety of applications, including refrigeration, air conditioning, building insulation, fire extinguishing systems, and aerosols. Sustainable development officials say the Kigali Implementation Plan will help in tackling climate action.
The plan has a number of components. There are 6 components specifically, components to do with policy as well as gender mainstreaming, monitoring, reporting and evaluation, as well as capacity building. And the capacity building in 2 components, that is looking at our technicians and looking at other players in the sector as well to ensure that we are able to work together in phasing out those HFCs.
Technicians are playing a fundamental role in facilitating the implementation plan to reduce the use of HFCs.
So we're working with them in building their capacity and seeing what kinds of policies we need to put in place, how we need to strengthen those, what awareness raising we can put in place so the public can make really efficient, effective and wise choices where HFCs are concerned, and being able to monitor how we're doing in ensuring that we meet our targets.
The Sustainable Development Department is also receiving support from the Customs and Excise Department in its quest to decrease HFCs. The target is 10% reduction in HFCs by 2029. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.